to another video. Just going to do a quick oil change. As you've seen on the Corolla, it's down to about 40 psi, so chuck some freshy oil in it. Shell Helix HX3, Rocco Synthetic Z38 ST. That is, yeah, she's pretty runny. Look, it's like water. Oh, and it smells like fuel. The oil filter's here, just gotta rip that off. Alright, so the filter's off. Give that a clean up. Just give that a clean up around the surface here. Give it a wipe down, and we'll chuck the new one on there. 386 ST, 386 ST. Beautiful. Alright, so a little bit of an oil up. Alright, so it's nice and hand tight. Alrighty, there we go. Alright, so now that the filter's done, we'll grab a rag, jump underneath. I'll set you down. Push that out the way. Now I can reuse this sump plug because I'll pull you out here for a second. You can reuse this because it's O-ringed right in the middle there. Right there. Alright, so we'll just chuck that one back in. Alright, so give it a wipe. plug back in. Sweet. Alright, so now we'll fill her up. I did spill a bit. Not the greatest of pours on my part. Trying to be a hero. Alright, give her a start. See if she's quieting down. Not gonna get.